I don't know how many people are out there still watching and following this channel. If you're still with me and you're watching and you're listening, let me have some of your patience, please. I was going to do this earlier, but self-discipline and self-control, willpower prevailed. There is a very significant energy source that is manipulating the hearts and minds, feelings of people. It's like a social experiment or a game. No one knows how to play it. No one knows the rules except the creators. Spirit guide me to Matthew Broderick, an old movie, War Games. Skipping past the details to the end. You can watch the movie if you wish, but skipping past the details, he figured out in the end the only way to win is not to play. I'm asking, unplug, stop, or don't play the game.